This trucker was driving when a BMW cut off his truck and caused an accident. The corner of the BMW got hit. And watch as the BMW driver immediately tries to blame the trucker. The trucker was 100% not at fault, but the BMW driver doesn't care one bit. Listen to their interaction now.
What were you thinking? What were you thinking, man?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
Do you see my signal light?
You were behind me. You just cut in front of me. I got you on camera.
How am I cutting in front of you?
You just cut in front of me, dude. I got you on camera. What are you thinking?
I got my signal light on, dude. Like,
Signal. You think I see your signal from behind? You think I saw your signal from behind me?
I was right beside you.
Dude, I don't think so.
Pull over, man.
Yeah, we're going to.
And this right here is why you should use a dash cam. But now here's the best part of the video. You can tell this guy doesn't like taking responsibility for his actions, but thankfully he was found at fault, and this is why you need to use a dash cam, especially if you're a trucker.